Checking out this trail camera. This one has an eSIM built in, so that means that it's going to work on either the Verizon or other cell networks. This one is solar powered, and since it's on the cellular network, this one can be monitored at any time. Of course, it's a trail camera, so it's also going to record. As we open up the box here, as it ships, we can see the solar panel, nice size solar panel. Comes out to USB-C. That's used for powering. This way it can be used pretty much all the time. Sometimes when they're just with batteries, you don't want to run the cameras all the time. There's the unit itself, camouflaged. Also comes along with the antenna, the bracket for mounting the solar panel, a strap for mounting the camera itself, a couple of different ways to attach it. That's pretty interesting. If we take a look underneath, we can see that there's a place here for the SD card and to adjust. There's a place here to plug in the solar panel. We've got the motion sensor, the IR lights, and then of course the camera. Pull off those screens. Got a place for the antenna right here on the side. Now this one is going to connect to the mobile networks. You can monitor in real time and of course pull the recordings that are instigated through the motion sensor. We'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Can't wait to get this one into the field and check it out. Hope this helps.